Now I want to discuss with you the chapter polynomial, which is really very important to understand the concept of the algebra. So before we start the actual application and type of polynomial, we must talk about the background of the polynomial. In fact, the polynomial needs the explanation of the term, the power, the coefficient, some little more about the algebraic expressions. So, if there are some variable and some constants, just like if I write, if a variable is 2 and the constant, if variable is x and constant is 2, then if these 2 and x are being made in the form of product, so this will give us 2 into x. So 2x is again a single term. But if I separate 2 and x either by plus sign or by minus sign, then I have got the two separate algebraic expressions. Now the question is that which algebraic expression are said to be the polynomial. So constants are those which have their fixed values, and variables are those whose values can be changed, or a product of a variable and constant is a compound term. So term always has a sign either plus or minus, some constant, one variable and its power. So four things are very important in order to understand the meaning of the term. So what is the term? The term has a sign positive or negative. Number one. Second, it has some constant. Constant may be 1, 1 by 2, root 2. Any rational or irrational number is always attached with our term. So it has some constant, or that constant in the term is known as coefficient. Then the third thing is to understand is the variable. Variable is any algebraic expression. Variable in any term, alphabetical like A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, we use like this. So term has four things. The first thing, it has a sign positive or negative. The second, it has the constant, that is the value, that is the coefficient. Third, it has some variable in the form of algebraic, that is what? A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And fourth, it has the power. Every variable has some algebraic expression is the combination of two or more constants and variables. Say for example, if I have two terms, one of the term is 3x. This is the term number 1 I am expressing here by t1, and the second term t2 is 3y. If I ask you to add or subtract, that is either t1 plus t2, I get 3x plus 3y. This combination in the form of addition of the two unlike terms is the algebraic expression. It can be also like this, t1 minus t2, this is 3x minus 3y. This is also what? Algebraic expression. If I ask you t1 into t2, you will say it is 9xy. This is not algebraic expression. It is a monomial term, which is the combination of the product of the two different terms. So algebraic expression could be like this also. If I say 3 plus x, or if I say 3 minus x plus y minus a plus p. So what? It means that when two or more terms are separated by, or you can say in detail, two or more unlike terms when separated by plus or minus sign, what so we obtain is known as the algebraic expression. If there is a single term, we call it as monomial. If there are two terms, the algebraic expression is known as binomial. If there are three terms, it is trinomial. If it is more than three terms, we call it multinomial, not polynomial, because polynomial comes in the special variety of the algebraic expression, which I will explain you now. That what is a polynomial? First of all, I want to tell you polynomial in X is represented by like this Px. If you are writing a polynomial in Y, it is represented by P of Y. So polynomial in X is an algebraic expression in the form of, it is what? A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus dot 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 plus ANXN, where you must understand A0, or you can say A1, A2 and AN are the real numbers. You must be aware about what are the real numbers. Any rational or any irrational, both the numbers are false in the category of the real numbers. So when some real numbers are attached with few variables, that is only of one type or two types, that is here A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus dot 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 plus ANXN. If A0, A1, A2 dot 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 AN are the real numbers and N is what? N is non-negative integer. If N is non-negative integer, N is non-negative integer and these constants or these coefficients are the real numbers, then this type of combination is known as a polynomial. So polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x cube plus dot 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 plus ANXN, where these coefficients A0, A1, A2 dot 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 AN are said to be real numbers that may be rational or may be irrational, and the power should be either 0, 1, 2, 3. That is no negative power, there is no fractional power, and the power has to be in the form of integers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this kind of algebraic expression is especially comes falls in the category of our polynomials. If it is X, it is polynomial in X. If it is Y, polynomial in Y. If it is in XYZ, it is polynomial in X, Y and Z. Now I will discuss with you the properties of polynomial, that is what is the degree and what are the zeros of a polynomial. First thing I want to tell you what is the degree of any polynomial. If I write here few polynomials, then I can share with you that what is the degree of which polynomial. That is, if I write a polynomial like 3x cube plus 5x minus 7x4 plus 8. This is a polynomial in X. Its degree is 4, reason being the highest power of this polynomial in this polynomial is 4. So degree of this polynomial will be considered as 4. Whatever is the degree of any polynomial, that much number of solutions in all a polynomial has. Suppose if I write a polynomial like 3x square minus 5x plus 2, I just can tell you here the highest power is what? 2. So this power highest is 2. So what can I say? I can say the degree of this polynomial is what? 2. So what is the highest power in any polynomial is responsible for its degree and for number of zeros, that is number of values of variable which can put it equal to 0. If I write a polynomial like x minus 7, or I can say 3x minus 7, here you can say the degree is what? 1. Reason being this term has power 1 and this term has power 0, and highest power what a algebraic expression or polynomial attain is known as its degree. So degree of this is what? 1. Degree in this case is 2. Degree in this case is 4. If I write any constant number like this 3 by 2, I can write 3 by 2 as 3 by 2 into x raised to the power 0. So 0 is the degree of this polynomial. I mean to tell you that whatever is the highest power in the polynomial is known as its degree, and same polynomial has equal number of the zeros, that is equal number of values of variable which can make it 0. So the degree of constant polynomial is 0, degree of linear polynomial is 1, degree of quadratic polynomial is 2, degree of cubic polynomial is 3, degree of biquadratic polynomial is 4, and so on. And the number of zeros is always equal to whatever is the degree of a polynomial. I just want to tell you at the last that the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined, always remember.